Hi everyone! In this video, we're doing a quick hardware overview of everything included with the ZOSI 3K Lite 16-channel security camera system. This arrives in a very large heavy box, so I've pulled out all the key components to show you exactly what you're getting. First up, let's look at the cameras. You get the full set of 16 cameras. These feature a sleek black aluminum metal housing that feels very durable. They are completely weatherproof and equipped with night vision. Each camera comes with its own set of mounting screws, wall plugs, and power splitter cables. They're very highly adjustable, and the build quality is very impressive for a system of this size. These cameras utilize BNC connectors. Here's a look at the video power cables. You get 16 of these 65-foot cables. They have a decent weight to them and they feel like high-quality cables, which is exactly what you want for a reliable wired setup. Next, we have the included documentation. There's a dedicated manual for the cameras themselves and a quick start guide for the DVR. I definitely recommend giving that guide a read-through to make sure installation is much smoother. Moving on to the accessories box. Inside, you'll find the 12-volt 3-amp power supply for the DVR, a USB mouse for navigating the interface, and an internet cable to get your system online. Simple and straightforward. Finally, here's the DVR itself. This unit comes with a 4TB hard drive already installed, which is a massive amount of storage. On the front, you've got your LED status indicators and a convenient USB port. Turning it around to the back, it is fully loaded. You'll find 16 BNC video inputs, RCA audio, in and out, HDMI and VGA outputs for your monitor, and an additional USB port, the internet port, and your DC power input. Now that wraps up this hardware overview. There's a lot of value in this box, and the overall quality of the components is very high. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you see exactly what comes in this kit. See you in the next one.